Holy smoke, guys. This is what I've expected for so long. This is yet another amazing product from KE Technology. I've reviewed their kiddie bot before and actually love it. And now this is the Loona pet robot. Make it a December to remember. And then a games kit. I don't know what this is for. It's a cloth. This red cap is for, you know, for like a bull fighting or something. Loona dinosaur outfit. Eee. Eee. Ooh, for Christmas. This is so cool. Loona robot. Wow, this is bigger than I thought. Unique personality, smart perception, remote assistant, interactive games. Okay, that is the robot here. Type-C cable, obviously. Also another user manual, English manual. User manual, very detailed one. Just in case you want to know the design of the Loona, here on the top we have touch sensors there, and also this microphone. We have 4 mic there, you know, and then is the LCD display, you know, screen, and also we have some other camera sensors and 3D top LiDAR sensors right inside the screen we light up. We'll check about that later, right? And here is the auto charging contacts. Wow, I didn't know it has that. Okay, and then here, moving to the bottom, moving to the back, we have the speaker here. Also the USB-C, as you can see, it doesn't even have the cover, so you gotta be careful about, you know, water gets inside. And this is the power button, and the 4 wheels. That's it, right? Alright, so first we install the Loona app from Google Play or App Store. So to turn it on, you just press and hold for 3 seconds. Okay, as you can see, the ear port lights up, and we see the screen lights up as well. Okay, this takes some time. Okay, then you will see QR code. Let me open it. Then we scan the QR code from the robot. Alright, now it's updating its firmware, so we just let it update. Alright, I think it's activated. And by the way, never put your Loona on the table because it might fall down. Ooh, that's my fault. Okay. It's so agile. I mean, it's so limbo. I mean, 它跳舞现在